Oh, hayo, kinina yung mga kami for breakfast, actually brunch. And we have, what do you call this, loves?
French toast.
French toast and sausage. At yung sausage daw kakabsat kaya kasangay longganisa tayo. Ngim, yung longganisa tayo na samit. At yung sausage nga kaya, ano na samit. Ididamdam mo, berbero kitila sa ti longganisa. Nga di nasamit. Nga adubawang na. Siyay. Sangay ako kaya ti sausage di. Didamdam dito. Ita, syempre di panlasak nga nga Pinoy. Birokit na di kas jay. Lasang Pinoy. Kaya habang tumagtagal mo tingin kaya kumutin natin sausage sir. At yung sausage na compared yung longganisa tayo, mas natin sausage na boring. I will call this sausage labs boring longganisa. But now, oh my god. Imasa ko naghimas. Dito ni, French toast with sausage, perfect. Di longganisa ki perfect, but kinirog. Yan na po, you know what is kinirog?
Perfect.
No, kinirog is a fried rice. Ilocano, kinirog.
Oh yeah.
Kinirog. Sige. Subuan kayo baka no, tilmo-tilmong kayo man ditahan. Kayo ito sausage? Jasper, tilmo-tilmo ni Jasper. Kinina, hinang ko na siguro. Okay din ang hinang. Paapal ka. What can you say about the longganisa in the Philippines compared to the sausage?
Oh, which one? There's two different kinds, sweet and garlicky.
I like the garlic which is made from Ilocos too. Vegan. I like it. More in garlic. So what can you say about it? The one we eat in the Saud Beach before.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like the garlic one?
Yeah.
Me too. That's the real longganisa made from Ilocos or Ilocano. Garlic. It's been a long time that I don't eat longganisa, loves. Can we make it?
Sure, we can try.
Kasi no, giramit yung longganisa Ilocano, longganisa Ilocano, kakabsat. Tagtadak tayo mga sibuyas, bawang.
No onions, just garlic.
Garlic. Jasper, kasi
He said, "Stop teasing me." Right, buddy?
you already eat.
Yeah.
You first, then others. Yeah? Ang dangain na po dito eh. Kuha. Tinapay. Gusto iti breakfast da. Sausage, tinapay. Dito yo. In Philippines, rice and egg. Oh, we satisfied na.
So you want long silog?
Long silog. Wow.
Long
Top silog.
silog.
Top silog. Long silog. Long is longganisa with egg.
I think we have. Don't we have some? Did you already eat it?
Hey, do we have? No. We got it in the Asian store, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. I think. We still have. The cheese, the other one. Tinagtil mong kayo man na yun. Sabay igop ti kape. Your coffee, loves. Cheers. You're done? Oh, cheers.
na.
Cheers. Okay, Nana.
Yes, I made breakfast.
Nana. Yung booking naman yung kinasadsad ko. Anay, lazy.
No, that's a trick question, huh?
Kini Nana.
Okay, Nana's right. Nana, babe.
What is it?
I'm the one who's supposed to be saying Ukini Nana. Because, babe, I made. Oh, I did all those things last night
Bilbilang
after
naman
installing the door on the garage. And driving to Lowe's to get all the parts and do all of that stuff, right? Then,
Then, what your wife did? Huh?
oh, you cooked dinner. You cooked pizza. It was delicious.
Woo! And also, if you count loves, and also nagkaya nga, grabe
Oh, you made my fruit and yogurt last night.
Hindi na naawa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was this morning, babe.
Bye.
Oh, you're shy. Oh, you're right at that answer. I know.
I'm shy to our topic na. Hindi na. No.
Wait. I made kaya.
No, you're not.
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
Kini Nana. Dakkel nga ukin.
Is it okay? Time for payment. Oh, time for payment. Oh, you want a piece of French toast?
Oh, wow.
Good boy. That's all you get.
Dakkel nga
You got a piece
ukin.
of sausage. You have a piece of French toast. Oh, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Nalpit na pasin.
Nalpasin.
Huh?
Nalpasin.
Nalpasin.
Woo!
Oh.
Nalpas.
Nalpasin.
Nalpas nga nangan.
Nalpasin ng nanang.
Nangan. Finish to eat. Nalpas nga nangan. Nalpas nga nangan.